I have my shoes. So it's two heels, one cabin shoes, two blazers.
Hello everybody, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm all dressed. I am not going on any flight, but I have to go collect my new Manish Malhotra uniform. So the coming few days, it's going to be the last day to collect, and it's 8 in the morning and the sun has just risen, and I am going to go to the Air India warehouse to get my uniform as soon as possible, because जितना time लगेगा उतना ही crowd आएगा, क्योंकि अभी last few days है, तो I'm sure whoever is left is going to come collect the uniform. So let's go. It was 9:30 in the morning when I reached the Air India warehouse. I was given a token number and I finally got my uniform at 1:30 in the afternoon. Hello everybody and welcome back. I have finally collected my new Manish Malhotra uniform and I am very excited to show you guys what I actually got. Okay, so for the starters, मुझे दिया था ये Air India tote bag and it is so beautiful. और अगर आप अंदर देखेंगे तो it's very spacious. It's just like a laptop bag. I can also carry this on my training and on my other deadhead flights. ये पहली चीज़ थी. Second thing, I have got two beautiful blazers right here. Okay. मैंने size लिया है XL because my hands are long and I wanted a comfortable one. So this is the blazer. It's got the Air India sign right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but these are so beautiful and so gorgeous. Okay, I have got two of these. One is here and the other one is right here. Okay. The third thing that I'm going to show you guys is my sari blouse. So we have got 4 of these. मैंने try किया था वहाँ पे to see which fit is the best और उसके हिसाब से मैंने लिया. So I have taken size small because my size varies from small to medium. So this is how the blouse of the sari looks like. Okay, there are some beautiful buttons here as well with the Air India symbol, the new Air India symbol. So the red uniform is for the online crew and the red is for the online crew, the purple is for the cabin supervisors. So this is very comfortable. पूरा ट्राई वाई करने के बाद, हाथ वाथ ऊपर साइड पूरा जुम्बा करने के बाद, पूरा comfort देखने के बाद I selected this. And I'm going to show you my, okay, this is I think the trouser. Very beautiful, very comfortable. I have taken this in a size large because of the length, my height, because of my height. Okay, and this is a trouser and this is the pallu that comes along with it. It's pre-stitched, so as you can see these buttons here, it will go right here on the blouse that I'll be wearing. Blouse ki yahan pe bhi buttons hai, so I just have to press it and this sari will go like this. This drape goes along with the palazzo and the sari. Let me quickly show you the sari. So I got 2 plazzos, 2 trousers, 4 drapes, the drape that goes along with the trouser and the sari. And this is my beautiful sari skirt. So everything right here is pre-stitched, so I don't have to struggle before the flight, to drape my sari and to keep things ready. It's already pre-stitched. Like you can see this, the pleats are right here and it's beautiful. It's got gorgeous 2 ombre colors. There's a little bit of purple and a little bit of red. And imagine when all these things go together, it's going to look amazing. I can't wait to wear this uniform. I can't wait to try on this blazer especially because it's so beautiful and so gorgeous. Okay guys, so last but not the least, let me show you guys my Air India shoes that I got from the warehouse. This is, we have got 2 pairs of these, the heel shoes. One is here, I haven't opened that yet, and this is the other one. So this is the heel shoes that we are to wear at the airport. So हम ये airport पे पहनते हैं, and the other flats that are there that we wear inside the aircraft. So this is quite comfortable, block heels, and there also is a sponge inside that keeps your feet from hurting. So these are the heel shoes. I have tried them. They are very, very comfortable. This is the other pair of the heel shoes that I haven't opened yet. Yeah, I'm going to show you my cabin shoes. So we have 2 pairs of heels and 1 pair of cabin shoes. This is the cabin shoe. Okay, and this is it. So this doesn't have heels. This is the pair that we wear inside the aircraft. The heels are to be worn at the airport. So this is all that I have got from Air India right now, and I am really excited to try on all this. And I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to start a vlog while wearing this new uniform. So I hope you guys have liked this one, and please show me a lot of love. Please do subscribe, please do share, and see you in my next one. Bye.